No, sir, I was waiting.
Hmm.
Good evening, sir.
There was homework. Good evening. Good evening. There was homework in the practice book as well, now.
Yes,
Let's understand this structure. It's your first day today. You might have a few problems, but it's all right. Just be here. It's a senior class coming to an end. So, guys, Max has been playing football in the rain. Max has been playing football in the rain. Now, this sentence for you, Ankit, means वो बारिश भी हो रही, खेल भी रहा, और अभी की बात नहीं कर रहे कि अभी खेल रहा है, पहले भी खेल रहा था, अभी भी खेल रहा है, काफी देर से खेल रहा है। समय की बात आ गई इसमें। पीछे से खेल रहा है, राइट? खेल रहा है, खेल रहा है, खेल रहा है ऐसे। मैक्स हैज बीन प्लेइंग फुटबॉल इन द रेन। नेक्स्ट लाइन फ्रॉम बी।
his boots and socks are new.
His boots and shorts are, hey Rosanna, his boots and shorts are muddy.
Hello.
Doing all right, Rosanna? We are
Yes.
we are starting late because there was an accident here in the hostel.
Oh,
Yeah, a boy got a bad cut on his head. Small boy. They were playing cricket and it was just an accident, but it looked really bad. And
yeah.
we humans are not used to seeing open skin. So it really bothers us so much, the sight.
Mm,
Hmm.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, but I hope he's all right. I mean, it's not deadly or anything. It's not very dangerous. It's gonna be painful for the kid for some time. He will be away from school for a few days, maybe a week, and he has to be careful about that place, that he doesn't get hurt there again. His sister told me that he's been getting hurt there again and again. It's not the first time. This is funniest. You know, it's not the first time it has happened there. His skin has opened there multiple times. Children often hit their forehead, and near their eyebrow, the skin opens easily. Yeah. Max has been playing football in the rain. His boots and shorts are all muddy. Katie's been checking her email. तो
There are a lot
फोकस
to
इस बात
reply
पे है
to.
कि एक्टिविटी केटी क्या कर रहा है। हिंदी में नहीं बोल पाएंगे इसको, हिंदी में ऐसे बोलेंगे, केटी बस ईमेल ही चेक कर रही। क्या बोले हिंदी में, बताओ भाई, सोच के बताओ। केटी इज बिन चेकिंग हर ईमेल एंड there are a lot to reply
There
to.
are a lot.
हम्म। केटी बस ईमेल चेक कर रही है और क्या करने में लगी है, ऐसे बोलते हैं। केटी ईमेल चेक करने में लगी है। आई मीन आई एम जस्ट थिंकिंग कि कुछ तो मैच कर जाए। केटी ईमेल चेक करने में लगी है। बहुत सारा ईमेल है रिप्लाई करने के लिए, बाकी है, उसको करना पड़ेगा रिप्लाई। हाँ, सबको रिप्लाई करना है। देर आर अ लॉट टू रिप्लाई टू। देर आर अ लॉट ऑफ emails to reply to. There are a lot of emails that she will reply to. Number 3, Grandpa has been digging in the garden. Grandpa's been digging in the garden. His
His
back
back hurts.
hurts. Grandpa has been digging in the garden. ग्रैंडपा जो है ना, बस गार्डन में लगे पड़े हैं, कर रहे हैं काम, है ना। एंड हिज बैक हर्ट्स, अब उनका पीठ में दर्द होने लगा है। हिज बैक हर्ट्स। Sue and Ken have been cooking for friends. The house smells of onion and garlic. बेटा,
Onion
मैच
and
कर देना
blood.
बड़ा अचीवमेंट नहीं है। बड़ा अचीवमेंट होगा उस मैसेज को एहसास कर पाना। ओके, मैच करना इज जस्ट 20% ऑफ द गेम। ऑलराइट, the 20% of the challenge. 80% of the challenge would be to appreciate what you're saying. And when you are in a similar situation, you end up saying something like this. That would be the end result and, goal. Sue and Ken have been cooking for friends. The house smells of onion garlic. दोस्त के लिए खाना बना रहे हैं लोग। घरवा में पूरा महक आ रहा है, प्याज अनियन ये सब गार्लिक का पूरा महक आ रहा है। खाना बना रहे हैं लोग। हिंदी में आप बोले खाना बना रहे हैं, तो दे आर कुकिंग बोलने से फोकस इज ऑन द प्रेजेंट। दे आर कुकिंग, दे हैव बीन कुकिंग, मतलब देयर हैज बीन सम टाइम, उसमें टाइम ऐड हो जाता है। जैसे आप बोलते हो दे आर कुकिंग, तो अभी बना रहे हैं। जैसे यू आर स्टडिंग, बट आई कांट से यू हैव बीन स्टडिंग हियर, आई कांट से दैट, बिकॉज पीछे से कोई चल के नहीं आ रहा है ऐसा। बट इनके बारे में मैं कह सकता हूँ दे हैव बीन स्टडिंग हियर फॉर सम टाइम नाउ, दे आर स्टडिंग राइट नाउ, दे हैव बीन स्टडिंग हियर फॉर अ फ्यू मंथ्स, फॉर अ फ्यू years, but you are now here, you are studying now, but you have not been studying here. ठीक है, आसान है, समझ जाना ये चीज को, कैच कर लेना। नेक्स्ट, next, the kids have been washing the dog. The kids have been washing the dog. There is soap and water everywhere. सब जगह पानी साबुन पसरा हुआ है। अरे बचपन लोग जो था ना, कुतवा को नहा रहा था, ठीक है, तो इसका रिजल्ट है। हिंदी में बोल रहे नहा रहा था कुतवा को, बट इन इंग्लिश वी विल गो विद द किड्स हैव बीन वॉशिंग द डॉग। was washing the dog, were washing the dog मत चले जाना, because it refers to a past continuous, it becomes past continuous sentence tense. Past continuous refers to a moment in the past when something was incomplete. यहाँ तो ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है, यहाँ तो रिजल्ट दिख रहा है कि सब जगह पानी पानी होयल है, साबुन साबुन होयल है। बचपन लोग लगता है कुतवा को नहा रहा था। The kids have been washing the dog. The baby's been throwing his food. इट्स ऑल ओवर द फ्लोर। देखो ना, सब जगह खाना गिरा दिया, बच्चा वोमिटिंग कर दिया है। द बेबी हैज बीन थ्रोइंग हिज फूड। और ये नहीं कि एक बार किया है, ही हैज बीन थ्रोइंग हिज फूड, है ना, तो देयर इज कंटिन्यूटी टू इट। द बेबी हैज बीन थ्रोइंग हिज फूड, इट्स ऑल ओवर द फ्लोर। 7, grandma has been doing the housework. Everything is clean and tidy, so clean and tidy. Grandma's been doing the housework. Acha. Dad's been decorating the bedroom. Dad's been decorating the bedroom. His hair is covered with paint. So प्रेजेंट में एक रिजल्ट है, एक सिचुएशन, एक रिजल्ट है, और वो रिजल्ट किस एक्टिविटी का नतीजा है, तो उस एक्टिविटी को प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस एक्सप्रेस करते हैं। जैसे कोई कर रहा है, बोलेंगे ओ यू हैव बीन रनिंग, यू हैव बीन रनिंग। तुम उठे, हम आए हॉस्टल में, आई कम टू द हॉस्टल एंड आई सी योर आईज, ऐसे ऐसे आंख कर रहे हो ऐसे, तो बोले ओ यू हैव बीन स्लीपिंग, गॉट इट, यू हैव बीन स्लीपिंग, ऑलराइट। यू वर स्लीपिंग हम बोल देते हैं हम लोग हिंदी बोलने वाले, क्योंकि हिंदी में बोलते हैं तो सुत रहा था रे, सुतल था रे, राइट, so we say you were sleeping. But you were sleeping in English refers to a moment in the past when an action was incomplete. For example, when sir came into the hostel room, I was sleeping. और हम बोलते हैं when I went into the hostel room, the children were sleeping. हाँ, उस मोमेंट पे वो काम हो रहा था, लेकिन ये तो अभी हम आए तो अब जागे हुए हैं, तो हम बोलेंगे यू हैव बीन स्लीपिंग, लेकिन आंख से पता चल रहा है आपके। ओके, इजी। Number 4, everybody. Complete the sentences with the verbs in the box in the present perfect continuous. Why are you so late? I've been waiting for over an hour. इतना लेट से क्यों आए हो जी? Why are you so late? I've been waiting for an hour, over an hour. And Yasmin ma'am and everybody, please, are you को were you कर दो. Why were you so late? काहे लेट से आए थे तुम जी? तो क्या हो जाएगा? I had I had been
I
waiting
waited.
for you
I
for
had
over
been
an
at.
hour.
I waited for
I
an.
had been waiting. लेकिन why are you so late? अभी बोल रहे, अभी अभी सामने खड़ा है मेरे सामने. Why are you so late? I have been waiting for over an hour. 2. अंकित इज गिविंग ए स्माइल। जब मैं उसकी तरफ देख रहा हूँ, उसको समझा रहा हूँ, तो स्माइल कर रहा है। पता है क्यों? इस तरह से इंग्लिश जो हम अभी बता रहे हैं, जो समझा रहे हैं भाई, कुछ सिचुएशन तो ये है ना? कोई रूल बोल तो ज्यादा बच्चे को सुनने को मिल नहीं रहा है कि इसके बाद ये करना है, उसके बाद ये करना है, लेकिन हाँ, एक कुछ कुछ सेंस बन रहा है इसके दिमाग में। जैसे जब मैंने कहा कि हम गए हॉस्टल में, तो आँख कैसे था, तो हम क्या बोलेंगे? तो बोला यू हैव बीन स्लीपिंग। हाँ, समझ में आने लगा, राइट? तो जब इंग्लिश सही तरीके से एक्सप्लेन किया जाए तो इट्स इजी, कोई भी
ये
समझ।
एक्सप्रेशन पहली बार मैं सीख रही हूँ सर।
हाँ, ये एग्जैक्टली यास्मीन मैम, सही कहा आपने। बिकॉज
ये
हिंदी से ये मैच नहीं करता, तो कोई हिंदी से इंग्लिश पढ़ाने वाला टीचर ये पढ़ा नहीं
आज
सकेगा।
तक मैं पढ़ी नहीं थी ये चीज,
अरे,
मुझे पता नहीं था।
सुनिए, यास्मीन मैम इज अ वेरी keen learner of English. She is definitely not in your 20s and 30s like you guys. She's older and senior. बट उन्होंने कितने आसानी से कहा। ये बात मैंने नहीं पढ़ी थी। क्यों नहीं पढ़ी थी पता है ना? ये सिर्फ इंग्लिश से इंग्लिश में एक्सप्लेन किया जा सकता है। हिंदी में अलग अलग टेंसेस चले जाएंगे, किसका ट्रांसलेशन ऐसे करोगे? तो याद करिए यास्मीन मैम, हिंदी में बचपन में वो 2 घंटे से रोता आ रहा है वो 4 घंटे से खाता
ये
आ रहा है।
2 घंटे से बारिश हो रही है।
होती आ रही है, हमारे यहाँ अलग था यास्मीन मैम, होती आ रही है।
ये
ओके।
होती आ रही है,
हाँ,
होती।
होती आ रही है।
उसमें था कि जब आपको टाइम मेंशन करना हो तभी आप हैज बीन और हैव बीन मैंने
ये,
लगाना है
लेकिन
तो।
ऐसा तो नहीं है, ऐसा कोई जरूरी नहीं है। देर इज अ रिजल्ट इन द प्रेजेंट, राइट? और वो
यस।
रिजल्ट का एक्टिविटी कौन सा था जिसकी वजह से वो रिजल्ट आया, तो वी कैन टॉक अबाउट दैट एक्टिविटी इन द प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस।
like this.
हाँ
Like 2 घंटे से बारिश होती है। I
हाँ
never studied like this.
हाँ, बट आई स्टडीड इट इन माई चाइल्डहुड। हाथ उठाना अगर आपने पढ़ा ये लाइन। दो, वो राम 4 साल से इंग्लिश सीखता आ रहा है। गिव मी अ थम्स अप इफ यू स्टडी लाइक दैट। यू डिड। ओके, यस, साजिद टू। एनीबॉडी एल्स? राम 4 सालों से इंग्लिश पढ़ता आ रहा है। और कोई? और कोई? नहीं। ऑलराइट, लकी यू गाइस। सुनीता। ओके, नहीं बोलेगी सुनीता। She has internet issues, I think.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, you
आपने
were asking something.
आपने पढ़ा है राम 4 सालों से इंग्लिश सीखता आ रहा है।
सर ये प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस होगा।
क्या बोल रहा है ये, क्या बोल रहा है? अरे मैंने पूछा आपने ये पढ़ा है
सर पढ़ा है।
देखो, पढ़ा है। आप हमारे जमाने की हैं, यू नो। आप
ये नहीं
सिर्फ,
पढ़ी है सर।
यू नो, नहीं मैम, ये डेकोरेशन से यंग हुई हुई है, हमारे जमाने की, हम समझ गए। हाँ, पेंट वेंट लगा के यंग बना रखा है इन्होंने अपने आपको।
सर मुझे याद है कि जब मैं स्कूल में थी तो
हम्म।
WERE जो बर बर पढ़ा जाता है उसको वो वेयर पढ़ाते थे।
ये
It's not bar, it's bear.
वेयर पढ़ाते थे। जब मेरे बच्चे स्कूल जाने लगे तब मैंने उसको सीखा कि इसको बर पढ़ता है।
Parents have a second chance at learning when their children start, going to school. Some parents take advantage of it, some don't. I did. I started teaching Aditi, and while I was teaching her class 1, 2, 3 books, it was such a learning experience for me. I really feel lucky that I taught her. I wish I had continued a little longer and would have taught her until class 10th on my own. Just couldn't. Why are you so late? I've been waiting for over an hour, too. To speak to my sister for days, but she is not answering her phone. देखना गौर से, एक में रखा हमने प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट। हम कितना दिन से कोशिश कर रहे हैं, लेकिन जवाब नहीं दे रही है। But she's not answering her phone. And you're not worried about her? 3. Bonnie has been studying medicine for 5 years, and there are still 3 more years to go. Bonnie has been studying medicine for 5 years. Bonnie has been studying medicine for 5 years, and there are still 3 more years to go. Wow, you have to study for 8 years. Why is it challenging in my opinion? Because you have to remember what you studied in the first year when you become a doctor. Yeah, you need to have very good memory. Otherwise, you will leave the scissors inside the stomach of the patient. Cut the wrong cord. Wrong, yeah. 3. Bonnie. Okay. Number 4. Dave and Julie. Really hard. They have been saving really hard. Working hard to सुना होगा? अब सुनो. Saving really hard. They have been running really hard. They have been playing really hard. Okay. Dave and Julie have been saving really hard to get a deposit to buy a house. So their aim is to buy a house. And for that, they need to give a deposit. So they are saving really hard to get a deposit. Next. Look at Cooper's red face. Look at Cooper's red face. I think he has been sunbathing. Yeah, look at my face. If you notice my skin color, skin tone, it has changed in last 2 months. I look much, much darker now. So you can call me dark and handsome now. Oh, Sajid will say, no, sir, dark and handsome is me. You're only dark. Right, Sajid? Yeah. Your brother was not here today, Sajid.
I don't know, sir. I am in my village and he is in hostel.
He's your elder brother, right?
Yeah, yeah.
You can't ask him many questions. He will say, mind your
Yeah, right.
But he said something about you in the class. He said, my younger brother Sajid's English is perfect. I said, good that you feel so proud. Look at Cooper's red face. I think he's been sunbathing. चलो किसी का चेहरा चमक रहा है तो बोले लगता है खूब क्या करा रहे हो फेशियल करा रहे हो खूब मसाज करा रहे हो आजकल कैसे बोलेंगे wow you're glowing yeah look at your skin you're glowing I think you have been getting a lot of facials you have been getting a lot of massages और कभी कभी बोलते हैं लब फूल रहा है लगता है खूब बियर चल रहा है ना sometimes people say that people believe that if you drink beer you become a little chubby and all okay yeah you're putting on weight looks like you have been drinking a lot of beer you have been drinking see the result here you've been having a lot of beer drinking having look at Cooper's red face I think he's been sunbathing what's the matter with little Nina What's the matter with little Nina? She's been
crying
for the last 5 minutes. What's the matter with little Nina? She's been crying for the last 5 minutes. My heart went out to that little boy when I saw his condition. Oh my God. He's one of the cutest we have in the class, in the school. And not only the cutest, he's a nice guy, It doesn't really create much, trouble for other people. He's not a very mischievous type of person, gentle. Living without parents, such a young age, 7 years old. He has an elder sister. She's 9 or 10.
The guy
No, not Divyanshu. Not Divyanshu. Another. He's also very cute, yes. Complete the questions with the verse. I like kids, but sometimes children do annoy you, Complete the questions with the verse in the present perfect continuous. How long? When I said I like kids, you guys could have said, no, you don't. Otherwise, you wouldn't have just one daughter. It's a different thing, right? It's a different thing.
I also like kids.
You like kids, right? You're not married. No, you don't need to be married to like kids.
Wait, that's what I'm
Yeah. How long have you been learning English? You're very good. कब से सीख रहे हो? कब से सीख रहे हो? अच्छा हो गया English. How long have you been learning English? You're very good now. The streets are wet. अरे गलियां भींगा लग रहा है. Has it been raining? बारिश हुआ है क्या? सुबह से उठ के बोलेंगे तो क्या बोलेंगे? Has it been raining? Has it rained is all right. It's not wrong. But what is more natural?
Has it rained because
And I'm telling you, let me explain. We studied that when the focus is on the activity, then which tense do we prefer? The continuous. When the focus is on completion, a certain number, certain result, then we go for the present perfect simple. Remember that? So, आप भले ऐसा बोल रहे हैं लेकिन ज्यादा जिनकी इंग्लिश अच्छी है वो क्या बोलेंगे? Has it been raining? The streets are wet. Has it been raining? I didn't know Andy could speak Chinese. How long has he been learning it? Has he been learning it? These verbs have the idea of a long time.
Yes, sir.
So prefer them in the continuous. 4.
have you been watching
That new detective series on Netflix, it's brilliant. Have you been watching? अच्छा देखो बताता हूँ. Have you watched? ये question आया. So the feeling is different. Have you been watching? The feeling is different. Have you watched means have you finished? Have you been watching? Yeah. Yes, exactly. Have you been watching? Now this means maybe you started and you are watching like 1 episode, 2 episodes like this. Have you been watching? Got it? तो क्या पूछेंगे? Have you been following IPL or have you followed IPL? Yeah. So, sir, have you been following IPL? Did you watch that innings? Rocking century, the fastest, 35. I hear there has been a century scored in 33 deliveries.
No, it was completed 30 delivery by Chris Gale.
30 ball delivery, 100 in club cricket, right?
In IPL.
In IPL. It is club cricket.
Right.
In international, fastest international century is still against Shahid Afridi, if I'm not wrong, 37 deliveries. Somebody else matched him. I think it was De Villiers, I think, perhaps, who matched him, but I'm not sure. You'll have to Google. The fastest international century. I know it was against Afridi, but I think another batsman matched it, couldn't break it. Couldn't break the record. So, have you been watching that new detective series on Netflix? It's brilliant. 5. How long has Cody been going out with Viviana? How long has Cody been going out with Viviana? Go out with somebody, to date somebody. How long has Cody been going out with Viviana?
How long
Yeah.
has been going?
Oh, has been verb नहीं, आपका helping नहीं, has helping है. तो has को ही आगे रखना होता है. ये तो typical है confusion. मैं भी था confused at school. Okay, कि has been पूरा helping verb है.
Has there
हाँ, क्योंकि been हर जगह रहता था तो हम लोग उसको मान लेते थे helping verb का हिस्सा. Right. How long has Cody been going out with Viviana? What have the children been doing? They're filthy. What have the children been doing? बच्चे क्या कर रहे थे यार? देखो तो एकदम गंदे हो गए हैं. हिंदी में क्या बोले? कर रहे थे, क्योंकि और कुछ बोल ही नहीं पाओगे. लेकिन what were the children doing नहीं बोलना. What have the children were doing? They're filthy. Filthy means dirty. Filthy means dirty. You are such a filthy man. You have such a filthy mind. Yeah, of course. मैं इस बार पे एक रिएक्शन दूंगा. You have listened to such sentences in movies. जो आप यहाँ पढ़ रहे हो ना, you will only listen to those things when you are listening to native speakers speak. Okay. And one more thing. When I first listened to native speakers in films and all, I thought ये कुछ अलग language बोल रहे हैं. मेरा इंग्लिश तो अलग रहता था. हिंदी से translation.
interview?
हाँ.
I'm saying I'm not getting that.
Uh,
I'm there.
You understand? Great. देखा? वो कुछ और language बोलते हैं इसका मतलब. Choose the correct form of the verb. Hi, Lily. How are you? Hi. Fine, thanks. Good to see you.
What have you been doing?
What have you been doing for the last few months? 2. What was that crash? It was Bo.
He has broken.
He has broken a window playing football. He has broken a window. He has been breaking a window, समझ रहे हो ना? He's been breaking a window playing football. बार बार मारा football. Okay, number 3. Hannah and Dominic are a lovely couple. Yeah, they are.
They have been going on together
Since university. The best time to fall in love is when you are at university. You have become a little sensible. You understand your responsibilities. You also understand your own personality a little. So the best time to, start your journey of romance and life partner is when you are at university. These relationships last longer. What do you say? Girl at university, Khushi, Sajid? No, not girl at university, Sajid, boy at university. Because what do you guys have to say about it?
I don't think so. They are mature at this age.
We couldn't understand you. Did we? We didn't. You could write it. 4. Yeah, she's using her Bluetooth device to talk to us. She intentionally doesn't want us to understand what she's saying. What else could be the explanation when she knows so very well that the Bluetooth, microphone is not that great? Do you want anything to eat? No, thanks. I've had a sandwich.
because it takes time to eat.
Oh my goodness. आप अभी दूर है मैं आपको समझाने की कोशिश करता हूँ समझिए. Do you want anything to eat? No, thanks. I've been having a sandwich.
got it.
I've been having a sandwich. Okay. Continuity है. ये थोड़ी कि टाइम लगा कि नहीं. इसका मतलब ये खा रहे हैं. ठीक है. I've been having a sandwich. 5. Why are you all wet? Because it's been raining. It's been raining. Have you thanked Aunt Matilda for the present? Yes. I've sent her a card. I've been sending her a card. Go, 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 go. I've been sending her a card. क्या A is correct ना? मैं सिर्फ फन के लिए बताता हूँ wrong वाला ताकि मत समझ आए कि अच्छा वो फीलिंग आती है इसमें. Okay. How long has Greg been playing the guitar? He's really good. Not long, but he practices every day. This is what happens when you practice every day, guys. Okay. Whether you are learning English or playing the guitar, practicing every day is so useful. Ouch. No, आज नहीं पढ़ना था ये वाला sentence. Sorry, I'm sorry. I don't want to read this sentence. Number 9. I'm already pretty heavy thinking about that child. Guys, after number 10, I'm going to wrap up. Sorry. Is this your phone? Oh, yes. Thank you. I've been looking for it for ages. ध्यान देना अगर कंफ्यूजन लगे तो बिल्कुल झिझकना नहीं बात करने से क्योंकि बात करने से क्लैरिटी आती है. डिस्कस थिंग्स विद मी. ये नहीं कि अपने आप में रहे आप कैसे पूछे ना. Oh dear, that is a bad cold. How long have you had it? For ages. Have a cold. You have a cold. Possession, not possession, but not a dynamic verb. You know.
Have you had it?
Huh? How long have you had it? How long have you had it? For ages.
Have you been having it?
And इसलिए have is a state verb in this sentence. So present perfect simple is better. So guys, look at my face, how tired I look. Excuse me. It's not just physical tiredness, it's mental fatigue with all that unwanted incidents, So I'm gonna go rest. Hopefully I'll sleep before 10 o'clock. Yep, absolutely. And this was one of the worst I've seen in recent times, I would say. In a long time, actually. Oh. So Goodbye, good night. See you tomorrow, everybody.
Goodbye.
Revise
Good
your
night.
lesson. Revise your lesson.
Bye,
Okay.
sir. Good night, sir.
Bye. Good night. Good night.
Yeah.